Hello everyone, welcome to our video presentation today. I'm thrilled to introduce the SF33 tail light, the ultimate third one and the last one. We have 4 modes with brake sensor, automatically ladder will go through the tunnel. And we also give you 2 install accessories, saddle mounts with these straps and fixed support with screws, screwdrivers, silicone pad to fix it. Very easy to install onto your saddle. And if the tail light is powered off, you can use the Type-C cable to recharge it. Charge it for once can be used for 6 months. With anti-save function, you only need to press the remote control to enter the anti-save mode.